Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. My name is Professor Dr. Raheel Qamar. I'm the head of Science and Technology Sector at ICESCO. I'm very pleased to be here with Excellencies Dr. Salehi, Deputy Minister of Higher Education, Dr. Qamar, Honorable Deputy Minister of Tehran University, Excellency Dr. Jamili, Honorable Head of Jamili Foundation, Dr. Abbas Sadri, who is the regional head of ICESCO in Tehran. Dear participants and ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a pleasure to be here on behalf of His Excellency Dr. Salim Al-Malik, who is my Director General at ICESCO. He asked me to convey his best regards to the organizers, speakers, and participants in this August assembly. I'm particularly grateful to Dr. Abbas Sadri, who invited me here. I was conducting a workshop in Tehran University, and he asked me to come and address you all. Dear students, this coming year, 2024, is a very important year for ICESCO. This is the year of the youth, and we will be conducting a number of activities for the youth and by the youth. What we want to do is we want to inculcate in the youth to become self-sufficient, and our motto right now is job providers and not job seekers. And for this, what we want to do is we want you to become entrepreneurs. We run a program on entrepreneurship. It's a 3-day boot camp followed by a 6-week entrepreneurship accelerator program. And the reason behind doing that is to enable the youth of tomorrow to become entrepreneurs and to establish their own startups, so that you're not dependent upon others for providing them the jobs and all that. We are very grateful to be part of this event, which has been organized by the Tehran University, and to motivate the youth of tomorrow and the young scientists of tomorrow. We want you all to become good scientists. But do realize science is changing very rapidly, and we want you to be adaptable to the changes in science and technology. The way we were doing science yesterday is going to drastically change in the future with the introduction of artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. And we want you all to be cognizant of these changes and to be adaptable to these changes so that you can benefit humanity and benefit your glorious country. For this, we hope to conduct an accelerator program in the coming year in Tehran also. Hopefully it will be in Tehran University. And we organize a number of other activities also for the youth. We run a program on satellite development and satellite making. It is called CANSAT, satellite development. What we do is we teach students on how to make satellites the size of a soda can, and then to launch it using rockets or other means, and then to gather data. The students, they put different sensors in the satellites, and they gather data and they analyze data from that. Besides this, we run different programs on teaching students on how to not only establish their own companies, but also to be a positive contributor to different SDGs. So to ensure that sustainable development goals are met by 2023. Like I said, artificial intelligence will change the way we teach also. What will happen in future, your degrees will not be enough for the job market. You will need to have skill sets, be it skill set in coding, be it skill set in working together with other individuals for starting up different startups, or be it skill set that are good for the society and good for the country. So make sure that you have the required skill set that will be needed for the future job market. I'll relate a story. I'm basically from Pakistan. I was president of my university in Pakistan, and there was a Chinese company that came into Pakistan. They wanted to set up a computer manufacturing facility there. And the skill set that they needed from the person who would oversee it would be somebody who had actually manufactured, actually put together different computer systems and everything. And they advertised the position. There were a lot of faculty members from my university also who applied for the position. They had PhDs in computer sciences and all that. But in the end, the person who got selected was a person who did not have a PhD, but he was working in the market, assembling different computers, and he knew the basics of assembly and basics of how computers work and all that. And he got the position. So what I said about, skill sets are the job market, are what would be required in the job market in the future. So develop your particular skill set, what you would like to work on, and make sure that you're the best of the best. I hope you all will, well, we all from the member countries, we have high hopes for our younger generation and our future generation. We want to see you in the leadership position where you will not just be leaders of the country and leaders of the economy, but also leaders in science and technology. For this, we will, inshallah, conduct a few more activities in Tehran University in the coming future. So good luck to you all, and thank you once again to the organizers for inviting me here. Dr. Sadri, who is a dear colleague and a dear friend, for asking me to speak to you all. I hope to see you all in the near future. Thank you very much. Khuda Hafiz.